guys, so this video is going to be just about how to create a thumbnail on your YouTube video. I think you can do it for your Facebook videos also. I'm not sure about that, but yeah, so this is just gonna show you how to create a thumbnail, a nice thumbnail for your YouTube video, so you can stand out a little bit more. And I'm gonna be using free resources that you can upgrade to paid resources, but just for the budget-minded marketer that's just starting, this is gonna be perfect for you. All right, so I will see you on the other side. And all right guys, so what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna do a video YouTube thumbnail from scratch. So what I'm gonna use two resources right now, right? Two of them are free, and both of them can actually be upgraded to paid versions of it. So let's start with this one right here. This is Canva, and I have already started right here. If you never use Canva, you should start right here by creating a design. You go create design. And let's see, personal, education, marketing, events. What was I? Social media, right? YouTube thumbnail. So let's start from there. Let's start from scratch. Of course, I've been using it for a while, so I have stuff here already. But let's just start with a blank canvas, right? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna keep it really simple. I usually get a little bit more involved with the thumbnails, but let's just keep it simple. And this is probably gonna be the one that's gonna be the actual thumbnail to this video. So let's go here with background. Let's just go to background, and let's use this right here. That one. That one. You know what? Purple. Let's be purple today. So you go to text, and my favorite font is Lato Black, right? So add a heading, and then right here, let's see. Let's look for it right now. It's actually Lato Bold. So here we are, and then just go here and just start writing, right? And let me just write it right here. How to create a YouTube thumbnail from scratch. I might add later saying, you know, put it in a smaller font with resources, but for now, let's just move it here. Right, I might do some more stuff with it later, but let's just leave it there for now. And then so we have basically the title for our video, and then you go to uploads. And all right, so let's upload images right now. Let's go to upload image. You know what? Actually, what I'm gonna do right before that is I'm gonna go here to our other resource, which is Remove.Bg. Remove.Bg. And what you can do here is, for free, you can remove background from photos. So I'm gonna go over here. I'm gonna look for a photo that I haven't done a removal of. There we go. So click on that, right? And you can see they're already done some right here, right? So what I'm gonna do here is see what it looks like. Okay, so it looks pretty good, and as you can see, I've done it before. And then here, let me show you another little cool thing about this website, you go over here and you can do all sorts of awesome things with it, right? You do that, you do that, you do that, right? You make it blurry in the back, awesome things like that. Or you can just, you know, add some goofy picture in the background, right? Looks like I'm, you know, right here, you know. So those are some of the things that you could do. Right here, you know, it's like right here, it looks like I'm at the beach constipated. Right here, it looks like I'm at the mountains constipated. And here, it looks like I'm in a back alley constipated. All right, so just wanted to show you that. And then what I'm gonna do right now is just I'm going to download the image. Download. If you want higher quality, a higher quality image, you can actually pay for it, but we're gonna keep it on the free side right now. And actually, I'm using the free. I'm using it for free now. With Canva, when I did the paid version, which is not too much, but if you're really in a tight budget, just keep the free version. So here we go. Right here we are, and upload image. And let's go here. Let's go to, I think it's on downloads. And let me just upload another one, right? I think I had another goofy face somewhere. Let's see. There you go. I think I'm gonna keep it like that. And when you do whatever, any kind of marketing, this is just something that I think should be emphasized with a lot of people. When you're doing marketing, whatever it is that you're marketing, just be you. Keep your personality the way you are. If you're a quiet person, if you're a introvert, if you don't like to make goofy faces like I do, then don't. You know, if you're not a suit and tie kind of person, and that's not you, but don't wear a suit and a tie. Don't be something you're not, because it's hard to keep up with being something you're not, basically. So this is me, and that's how I do things. Keep it on the goofy side, and that's why you do business, right? You want to do your own thing because you don't want to be told how to do things by everybody else. Of course, you need to follow the marketing 101 and do everything you as far as exposing yourself and creating a brand for yourself, but don't be fake on it. Don't be fake about it, basically. So this is me. Like it or leave it. Some people are gonna resonate with me, some people are not. Some people are gonna think that I'm a clown and want to have nothing to do with me. Some people are gonna find me amusing, and they're gonna be curious, and some people are just gonna identify with me. So basically that's just the little tidbit of advice. All right, so here you go. So how to create a YouTube thumbnail from scratch, right? And then let's create a different text here, and put it right here. Yeah, there you go. Free or low cost resources. No excuses allowed. Right? And basically this is me saying this to people, but I'm saying it to people because I'm saying it to myself also. I don't want to create excuses for me and for me not doing things. As you can see in the pictures, some of them I have crooked teeth, not the most perfect teeth. I hate shaving, and you can see from the pictures on the thumbnail that is true. I hate shaving. So I mean, you can go as wild and keep it as chill as you want with the colors and everything, but this is, I think, how I'm gonna keep it. Of course, you can change anything you want on it. The final product might look different on the actual thumbnail of this video, but basically this is what you can do with Canva and Remove.Bg, and you don't have to spend a dime on it, and all you have to do is just work hard at it and get your videos done. All right, so this is Douglas Valenzuela. Enjoy life with the ones that you love, and I wanted to keep this video under 20 minutes, so I think I succeeded. All right, have a great day. Bye. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, since I'm reshooting this, I'm adding this video, so I'm just gonna kind of this thumbnail right here, I'm going to do more work on it, and for the sake of time and not having you guys be stuck watching this video for too long, I'm going to speed up the process during editing, so you can see just how easy it is to create a thumbnail or to play around with it and things like that. So without further ado, let me go here and do this, and I'm probably gonna just speed up all of this. All right, cool. Okay, so that's it. I think I'm gonna use this one, and I'm gonna use it as a thumbnail for this video that I'm making. So once again, have a great day and enjoy life with the ones that you love. This is Douglas Valenzuela signing out. Bye bye.